Boom, what up, Barbie? Today we're playing a game called Moochie's Kitchen. I heard it was quite funny, so I'm here for it. Looks like that sim over there, but what I want is this button over here. So let's get right onto it. There we go, the kitchen is all cleaned up and we can finally go home. Todd. Me. I should speak to Mitch before he leaves. Afterwards, I'll speak to Veronica in her office. Alright, why'd you need to talk with Veronica? Okay. No flashlight yet. Veronica, can I talk with you now? No? Alright, I gotta talk to Mitch first. Can I go in here? Mooshie's room? Can't go in there yet. Hello. There's a key over there and a present. Alrighty. Moochie's kitchen. Are you Mitch? Talk. Steve. Hey yo, Todd, you can't go to the workshop today. I got a new mascot in the works. In case you haven't heard yet, Mushie's being retired. It sucks to see him go, but hey, it's time for a change. Have a nice day, Todd. Why are you retiring Mushie, man? If you need a new mascot, just put him in the new costume, man. Mushie's kitchen. Alright. I'm not a big fan of the movement, because every time I do a step, it just goes. Hey, if you see my car keys around here, let me know. I can't leave the kitchen without them. Oh, I think I saw your car keys. Milk? Can I get some milk? What is that? No, that's some spice hot sauce, apparently. Alright. If the game has a kitchen, 10 out of 10 already. Alright, now I think I gotta talk with Veronica. Hi, Todd. Before you go tonight, I'm gonna need you to speak to Mooshie. In case you didn't know, we've made a decision to retire Mooshie and rebrand our kitchen. The times are changing and kids these days find Mooshing to be creepy. Go speak to Mooshie for me. I left a retirement gift in the janitor's closet that you should give to him after you speak to him. I mean, I know that he's creepy, I can see, but whatever this is you're working on isn't any better, so yeah. I like how the doors don't have any breakers or whatever it's called. Alright, so now I gotta go to Mooshie. Here he is. April 20th, 1969. 420, 1969. Very funny, developer. Very funny. Alright. Hey Mooshie, I have something to tell you, man. Veronica just informed me that her and management have decided to retire you and rebrand the kitchen. I know it sucks, buddy, but times are changing, my man. Just wait here, buddy. I'm gonna go get you something for you. Alright. So, you know, I don't know why I didn't give you the present first, but, I'm just gonna go get the present. Don't you go anywhere. Don't you? Don't you go anywhere. Don't you go anywhere. Alright. Those were probably the keys that my man was talking about. So what else? The present as well. Yeah. Alright. Aaron, the doors have no colliders. That's what I just said. This man. Do you speak the same thing? No, I can't even speak to you again. What were you looking at? Was it Mooshie? I guess he was maybe looking at Mooshie. That's weird. Mushie's gone. It's not like him to wander off like that. I don't know, man. I should look around for him. I can find him. If I can't find him, I'll ask Veronica for help. Well, you know, you're literally firing the main mascot of your restaurant. I don't know why. At least fire. Take away just the costume, not the goddamn man. Don't take away his job. Hey again, Todd. How did Mushi take the news? He's not there. Yes. Does the power really have to cut out now? Of course it does, every time. Go turn the backup power in the storage area. So now I have flashlight. I just took it out of my ass. Alright. What is this? Gender neutral. Ah, man, you shit, mate. I've been here for 30 minutes. Are you kidding me? There's no toilet paper. If anyone's out there, man, please chuck some toilet paper, mate. Hurry! I have to get to my wife and 4 children. I got you, buddy. I got you. Alright. Looks like you're in there. I hope you've been saved. Shit! God damn. Can I see the piece of art? No. God damn it. Alright, so I got your keys. Thanks, Dad. I knew you would show up eventually. Once I'm done here, I can finally head home and play some Hindi horror games on itch.io. You should check out Lashlan Shelton. He makes great games. In fact, Lashlan Shelton recently won an award for being the best game developer of all time. He's so cool. Yeah, he's very cool, but I don't know if he won that award. Sheesh, okay. Whoa, 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 relax, my man. Where did you learn these? Where did you learn how to do these? God damn. I rate that. I rate that. I rate that. Honestly. Honestly, I rate that. 10 out of 10 game. You should have won that award if you didn't get it. Alright. So, this is the power. Alright. The power's back on. I should get to Veronica and tell her about Mooshie's gone missing. You should have told her even when it was dark, because, you know, it's kind of a red flag that he disappeared and the lights went off. Yep, I mean, I said it. Oh God! Veronica! I can't believe it. I guess I know who's responsible for this. I need to get out of here quick. Well, there's our guy. So it's gonna be one of these, huh? No. I know the door's opened. Okay. Looks like I gotta go through there. But there's boards. So I did see this crowbar before. Should be easy game. Alright, now the problem is I don't know where he is. Can't hear him. Let's see. Quick peek. Ah! He's coming! Really funny. Alright. I think I can do it. I'm gonna try this again and see if I can beat the game. Alright. Oh, we're back here. Come on. You didn't have to do that to me. I'm a friendly guy. I swear. It's creepy game. I don't like it. I don't like it. Creepy game. Quick, grab it. suck. You suck. What? Ah! Go, 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 go!
Mooshie gone
Oh, I got it.
mad. A local man by the name of Todd, who works at the popular Mooshie's kitchen, claims he survived an attack from the legendary aging mascot.
Sound effects.
Just jumped right out at me, man. Todd,
Sound
Bumhole
effects.
News.
10 out of 10.
Back to you.
Bumhole News. Back at it again. To you. Ooh. Sheesh. Goes hard. This music goes hard though.
I walk alone
Oh.
in Mooshie's footsteps. I'm gonna kill everybody. Yeah.
Damn. 10 out of 10. Whoever this guy is, he's a mad lad. Respect to him. Fun, really fun game. And with that said, see you guys in the next one.
Nobody can beat him.